Now here at Overdevest we've grown quite a few different forms of Brunneras over the years, but I have to say that this very nice selection here, which is called Brunnera Jack Frost, is probably one of the best performing varieties that we've ever grown in our selection. We just love the way that it has this beautifully patterned silvery leaves, the way the dark green veins show up so prominently against the background. And we also love the fact like it carries these beautiful little miniature forget-me-not like flowers that stick up and appear very nicely during the early part of the spring. It's a lovely plant to grow in shady and partially shaded conditions. It's really quite hardy. It's a zone 3 plant. And what's neat about it also is that deer don't really bother with it. It is important when you plant it that you dig in lots of organic matter. It loves the rich, moist, retentive soils that provides. Keeps the roots nice and moist and also cool. And when you do that, then you get lots of pretty luxuriant growth, which really stands out and beams in a shady landscape. You can plant it as a single specimen, but look what happens when you plant it together in a nice group. It really beams out a beautiful silvery effect that is most becoming. Will also make a good plant to put into a container too. So if you're looking for something to put into a pot in a shady area, you can put that in and be able to enjoy these gorgeous leaves. Here's a plant that was developed by John Walters at Walters Gardens. He found it as a sport of an Old English variety called Langtrees. It's won numerous awards over the years, including an award of garden merit from the Royal Horticultural Society in London. It was picked as the Perennial Plant of the Year in 2012, and as you see from this, it's also a certified variety within the Handpick for You program. This is Brunnera Jack Frost, a really excellent, very pretty form of the Brunneras.